When I talk about technology-enabled wellness, often the question comes up, what is a digital lifestyle? The fact is that each of us has a digital lifestyle, but few of us think about it on a regular basis. One's digital lifestyle is the combination of digital devices, channels, and content that they use in their daily lives. The fact is that in this digital age, this combination of devices, channels, and content impact our wellness to a greater degree than we often understand and appreciate. Here we see the categories of digital devices that many of us use on a regular basis that run the gamut from our desktops and laptops to our smartphones to voice assistants to, yes, even video game consoles. Next are the digital channels which run on the digital devices that we use, which run the gamut from email to mobile apps to virtual reality. Next are the broad categories of digital content which we access through the channels that are on our digital devices. And here you can see that these come in varieties as diverse as educational to conversational, which is social media, to longitudinal, which is the data that I get from my wearables that track my behavior over time, even to issues and advocacy. So as you consider your own digital lifestyle and you understand how it can enhance your own wellness and performance, know that our keynotes and workshops are designed to help individuals and organizations discover how they can best take advantage of their digital lifestyle, converting it from stress-inducing to wellness-enhancing.